Thank you.
Hello, welcome to Hungary. I'm Chappy and this is Füge substituting in for Mookie. We got a great episode today for Appies with Chappy by the lake. And we're in Lake Balaton, Hungary today. We're going to have Füge for appetizers, but not this Füge. See, Füge means little fig. There's a lovely fig tree right over here, and we're going to pick some figs, and that's going to be our appetizer. And then we're going to have a drink. I'm just going to have a little bit of vodka and peach iced tea to go with our Appies with Chappy by Lake Balaton. And that'll do, won't it, Füge? Don't worry, Füge, we're not going to eat you for appetizers. My nice Hungarian figs, Füges, little figs. Oh, look at the color. They're very ripe. I've already tried some. They're very sweet and delicious. All right, and then I got some nice walnuts. I'm gonna crunch up a bit. My mortar and pestle. All right. And then this is actually walnut bread, so that'll go nicely with the walnuts. We'll do a little presentation here. What do you think? Okay. Do the walnuts, chopped walnuts. And then have some locally made honey. It's just fantastic. And we're just going to drizzle a little bit of the local Hungarian honey. Oh, look at that. A little bit more honey. People say I'm sweet enough, but this is delicious. It's okay, it's okay. All right, and that's my Füge with Füge. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar, Lake Balaton edition. I'm Chappy, and this is Füge substituting in for Mookie. What's that, Füge? Füge says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.